स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम संस्कृतम स्वागतम. My dear students, first of all, heartily welcome to Sainik School Bijapur. You are so lucky that you are entering the portals of Sainik School Bijapur. Sainik School Bijapur is the place where it gives a platform to realize your dreams, reach your goals. You are at this young age with the big dreams. You are here in a right direction in Sainik School Bijapur. Schooling is the most important thing in anyone's life. If you have a proper childhood, your youth will be meaningful, life will be meaningful. That's why from the ancient time, people have given very importance to the education. Wealth at any time you may get, but the knowledge you have to get it in the right time. So, you are in the right place, in the right time for the right goal. My dear friends, feel proud that you are in the Sainik School. Once again, welcome to Sainik School Bijapur. Sainik schools are will prepare you for the future officers. Your dream of becoming the officers will be made clear in Sainik School Bijapur. Come with big dreams, achieve them, and feel proud in Sainik School Bijapur. When you start your education in Sainik School Bijapur, it is the first step, that 6th class. The right decisions will make the life beautiful. That's why I am here with you all. The first choice what you have to make is, first study Sanskrit in the first step. In Sainik School Bijapur, in English medium you are entering into the 6th class. You have options of choosing Sanskrit and Kannada. Sanskrit makes you to understand the things better. It polishes your pronunciation. It gives you vivid ideas. It makes you think beyond your imagination. Sanskrit is the language of India. That's why I am giving the tagline, that is, learn Sanskrit, be Indian. Learn Sanskrit and be Indian. Why should we learn Sanskrit? Because it is new to you. It is our root. Sanskrit is the root of the every Indian culture. If you respect Indian culture, you must study Sanskrit. Without knowing Sanskrit, you will not be a true Indian. To know the India better, you must be knowing Sanskrit perfectly. Sanskrit makes you understand other languages very easily, as Sanskrit is the mother of all Indian languages. So, learn Sanskrit, be Indian. Next, what is the advantage of studying Sanskrit at the school? At the school, when you study Sanskrit, Sanskrit is mainly based on the grammar. Sanskrit is the language which gives you more marks. You can get the marks very easily and the syllabus will be very less. So, your concentration on this. Moreover that, our mind will be active when we learn something new. So, you are learning the new, that is the Sanskrit. So, it makes your mind very active. If you want to keep your mind active, please learn Sanskrit. If you want to score better, please learn Sanskrit. What is the greatness of Sanskrit? This is what I am going to tell you with this presentation, where the great people have told what the greatness of Sanskrit is here. Sanskrit is rich in vocabulary, rich in literature, rich in thoughts and ideas, rich in meanings and values. If you want to make your life rich, please read Sanskrit. Please study Sanskrit. Then comes Sanskrit grammar offers a beautifully clear structure as was recognized by Indian grammarians over 2500 years ago. The script it is written in was designed especially for it and allows us to know with great certainty how it was pronounced. So Sanskrit is the only language which has not changed through the years. Every language has changed, whereas the structure of Sanskrit is so nicely composed. The way a Kashmirian reads the Sanskrit and a Kanyakumarian reads the Sanskrit is the same because of its beautiful composition of the structure. This is the beauty. Then, Sanskrit is the oldest living language and most continuously used in the world. It has largest literature than any other language and has influenced many languages in the world. It is also popularly known as Devavani, a language of divine world. That's why we must study Sanskrit. These are all the advantages of studying the Sanskrit. According to research, Sanskrit can make a better language for computers and very efficient in making algorithms. It is often considered as the lost language because only few take interest and are fascinated about it. It has rich inheritance in many subject areas including science, literature, Ayurveda, astronomy and architecture, etc. So that's why nowadays even the NASA scientists are telling the only pure language available on the earth, it is the Sanskrit. So that's why if you have a big dreams, it is the beginning of your life, take Sanskrit and be polished. Next, Sanskrit helps in learning other languages. Many Indian languages like Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati are all evolved from Sanskrit. All our mother tongues are originally in Sanskrit. It also belongs to the Indo-European language, hence makes its presence felt in other European languages like German and Latin. Since many languages have derived from it, learning Sanskrit gives better understanding of other languages. Moreover, if you learn Sanskrit, in India, if you go to any state, learning a new language becomes very easy. The basic grammar of Sanskrit makes you to learn other languages very easily. That's why a Sanskrit fellow goes to any state, learns the local language very quickly. So that's why it is just like Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. Let the noble thoughts come from all the angles. So by studying Sanskrit, you can welcome all other languages, and the knowledge of Sanskrit enriches your own mother tongue, and even learning the French, German becomes very easy after studying the Sanskrit. Then, about the scriptures. In the history, in the 6th class, you are going to learn about the scriptures. It is popular and used extensively during the period of 500 BC to 1000 AD. The saints, philosophers, spiritual teachers have information about Vedas, Upanishads, or epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Originally, they are written in Sanskrit. Though many of these scriptures are translated into other languages, almost all the languages, it gives better understanding only if it is read in original format, that is Sanskrit. That's why, my dear students, it is the right time. Please choose the Sanskrit and be the change that you want to. So, it is my best wish for you that choose the Sanskrit, rise your life. Choose Sanskrit, rise your life. Samskritam patha, samskrito bhava. Samskritam patha, samskrito bhava. Jayatu Bharatam, Jayatu Samskritam. Jayatu Bharatam, Jayatu Samskritam. Dhanyavadaha. Hoping to interact more with you. Thank you.